In this video, I'm going to dive into the unique business model of a medium content book brand that's pulling in over $45,000 a month. And I'll show you exactly how they're doing it and how you can apply these strategies to your own business. On this channel, I share insights from my journey in building these businesses to help you on your own path. Using a tool called KDP Spy, I can see any brand's estimated revenue. One company in particular made an impressive $60,000 to $62,000 per month, including Kindle sales. This company has built its success on a series-based model, with workbooks for kids, tailored to various age groups, and joke books for different age brackets. One primary strategy is publishing a Life Goals series aimed at specific ages, from 8 to 11. By covering a wide range of ages, you can create a comprehensive, age-specific set of books that attracts parents looking for developmental tools for their kids. This approach builds brand identity and creates a dependable source of revenue from each age group. Content strategy. This content approach is refreshingly simple. The books contain basic illustrations and straightforward text, appealing directly to parents who want to help their kids build essential skills. You can also offer a free gift page in your books, where you give additional resources, like conversation starters or affirmations for kids. Another smart way of helping your audience and building a permanent customer. Marketing approach. Instagram and TikTok are effective marketing strategies where you can gather 50,000 followers and more. TikTok serves as my main social platform, where you can engage a broad audience. You can use Amazon Associates links to earn affiliate commissions on book sales, a technique I call double dipping, which helps them maximize earnings. By focusing on a unique age-specific series model, keeping the content simple and approachable, and leveraging TikTok with a smart affiliate strategy, this brand has managed to build an impressive monthly revenue. This breakdown should give you a good idea of how you can adapt these methods to grow your own business. In this video, I'm breaking down a TikTok marketing strategy that's surprisingly simple, yet highly effective for driving massive engagement and sales. I'm also going to show you how to streamline the content creation process, including book writing and illustration generation. TikTok strategy. TikTok is a powerhouse for this brand's traffic, and their videos are going viral, some reaching millions of views. Many people think TikTok marketing is too much work because you need to post consistently, but if you're serious about making money, that effort is worth it. Plus, these videos are incredibly easy to create. They're simply carousels of images, likely generated by a tool like Midjourney, with some text overlay, such as a knock-knock joke, and background music. People are really engaging with these videos, commenting, sharing, and saving them, which shows that you don't need to overcomplicate things. This simple format can bring great results, and it's something you can start experimenting with in your own business. Social media. Apart from TikTok, this lucrative book brand has minimal activity on other platforms, with YouTube and Pinterest barely contributing to their traffic. This reinforces that their primary success is coming from TikTok and Amazon ads. Book creation process. Now, let's talk about the book creation process, which is also very straightforward. These books are around 126 pages with minimal text and some illustrations spaced out across chapters. Each chapter is roughly 850 words, bringing the total word count to about 11,000. You can create content like this in a few ways. Write it yourself, hire a ghostwriter, or leverage AI. For instance, I can use an AI tool like ChatGPT to draft chapters on specific topics like building mindful quotes. A quick prompt yields an introduction and activities written at a 9-year-old's level, making it a solid base to start from. Of course, I'd advise against copy-pasting. Instead, use it as a rough draft and personalize it to keep it unique. Illustration generation. For illustrations, you have options. Use an AI image generator, hire an illustrator, or combine both methods. Each chapter might have around 3 illustrations, at the beginning, middle, and end. So AI-generated images can speed up this process and lower costs. Just adjust them to fit your style and your brand. This strategy shows that with some smart planning, TikTok marketing, and AI assistance, you can make this process efficient and profitable. By following these steps, you can launch a similar business model with minimal hassle and start seeing results. In this video, I show you how to create custom images and content for your books with AI tools, or if you prefer, through affordable outsourcing options. Creating custom images with Mid-Journey. For custom illustrations, I use Mid-Journey. I simply type a prompt and receive a set of images to choose from. I don't aim to replicate the exact style of other books, but instead focus on unique images that fit my book's theme. After a few adjustments, I get images I'm happy with, perfect for incorporating into my book. This method allows me to create illustrations for the entire book efficiently. TikTok image creation. Moving on to TikTok, I use a similar process. For videos, I request images suited to the TikTok format, like a high-definition animated image at a 9:16 aspect ratio. This gives me engaging visuals that closely resemble those used in viral TikTok content. This simple approach to creating images makes DIY marketing on TikTok easy and accessible. Hiring a ghostwriter. If you'd rather have someone else handle the content, you can hire a ghostwriter. I recommend Urban Writers, who offer a variety of affordable packages. For simpler books on topics like positive mindset, their basic or rising package works well. Here's the best part. They offer an AI-assisted writing option, which reduces the cost by having the ghostwriter use AI-generated drafts as a foundation. Afterward, the writer polishes and enhances the content, saving time and money. This AI-assisted option costs about $1.70 per 100 words, making a 10,000-word book only around $170, significantly cheaper than traditional ghostwriting. Book cover design on Fiverr. For book covers, I suggest using Fiverr. There, you can find high-quality designs for as little as $10, which is often cheaper than what Urban Writers charges. Fiverr's range of options and quality makes it a cost-effective choice. By using these AI tools and outsourcing options, you can produce a high-quality book with unique illustrations, optimized marketing visuals for TikTok, and professional covers, all on a budget. This method is great for authors looking to scale their content production without a huge upfront cost. I want to share a few final tips for creating a successful book brand, especially if you're considering launching on Amazon KDP. For book covers, I've found some excellent options on Fiverr that deliver high-quality results without breaking the bank. In wrapping up, I've highlighted some great information about the lucrative book brand. They produce engaging books that get positive reviews and are excellent at marketing, especially on TikTok. TikTok is a powerhouse for them, and I've shown you how to make similar TikTok videos quickly and easily so that you can start building a presence too. And don't forget the importance of Amazon ads. If you're serious about driving sales, running ads on Amazon is essential. I have a series of tutorials on my channel, so check those out if you need guidance on setting up effective ad campaigns. If you're interested in taking your Amazon KDP business to the next level, I've also put together a complete Amazon KDP program, which includes a full course with step-by-step tutorials and insider tips that I share on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.